Good morning from Budva, the amazing city in Montenegro. We will tell you all things to do and all things to see in this great city. Just wait for us.
Budva is an ancient coastal town in Montenegro, with a history spanning more than 2000 years. The old town, surrounded by medieval walls, features narrow streets and historic buildings, influenced by civilizations like Romans and Venetians. It showcases landmarks such as Citadel and St. John Church. This charming area provides a snapshot of Budva diverse and enduring past. The city walls. Budva's city walls, built over centuries, encircle the old town as protective barrier. These historic fortifications, remains of medieval time, now offer visitors panoramic view of the Adriatic Sea and a glimpse into Budva's rich history. You can enjoy this walk all around the walls with like €3, enjoying the charming views from all sides. During our visit to Budva, we had really a very nice time enjoying our afternoon walk and seeing these great views, having funny times there, and with some great background for the mountains, for the sea, for the old town, as you can see here. Believe me, it's one of the nice things to do in Budva for a short walk, and you will enjoy it so much. The Holy Trinity Church in Budva is an old Orthodox church in the old town. It was built in 1804 and has simple but unique design. This church is an important part of Budva's history and adds to the charm of the old town a lot. It's one of the nice things to see when you visit this great city. The Budva Citadel is an ancient fortress in Budva's old town. It's like a really old castle. Was built in the 15th century. This fortress has been around for a super long time as the thick walls to protect this town from all bad guys around. The Budva Citadel is a cool place to see and part of Budva's awesome history. Very nice views from there will be. Now we'll talk about Mogren Beach. It's like a hidden paradise in Budva city. To find it, just stroll through the old town and you will see there signs, you will follow it and you will be there. It's quite spot with clear water, perfect if you want a more peaceful day far from the crowd. On your way, you will have very nice view to the old town and to the sea. Also, you will pass by remarkable rocks and caves, so don't forget to take some special photos and videos from inside these small caves. And here it is. Great location. There is so many snacks, restaurant to serve you during your beach time, and water sports also can be booked from there. The Ballerina. The story behind the Budva Ballerina statue is lost love of one ballerina and a sailor from Budva. It's on your way from the old town to Mogren Beach. On your way, don't forget to take like this one. It's one of the iconic photos for the ballerina with the background of Budva Old Town. The local food. Enjoy the Montenegrin food, the great and special breakfast, the seafood soup, and for sure, don't miss their famous Nixisico beer. It's really light and tasty. Seafood there is really very fresh. You can enjoy special octopus and different type of shrimps and other seafoods. I loved so much their local seafood. Budva Marina. It's a pretty place by the sea where taxi boats and yachts hangs out. You can take a walk there and find cool restaurants, nice and cozy cafe and shops. It's nice spot to enjoy the sea view and have a dinner after that, and you can spend a great time out of the walls of the old town of Budva city. Sveti Stefan. It's a tiny island near Budva with cute houses and nice beaches. It used to be a fishing village, but now it's a fancy resort with a famous hotel. You can't go on the island unless you stay at that hotel. But you can enjoy the beautiful views from the mainland and the nearby beaches. But wait, also, you shouldn't miss the upper iconic view and a photo for Sveti Stefan just like that. Sveti Nikola, also known as Hawaii or Budva Island. It's the largest island in the Budva Riviera, located on the opposite side of the town of Budva on the Adriatic Sea. There, you can enjoy a special beach day far totally from any crowd along calm beaches with a few nice snacks and restaurants and bars. People usually go there to have a special day beach, as you can see here, many nice and remarkable spots. You can enjoy a full day on that island. Taxi boat is available every half an hour and it costs like €5 per way. Day trip to Kotor. Kotor is the best place to be in Montenegro in my opinion. It's far just half an hour by car. The magical Kotor Bay with the mountain views covering the sea worth to give at least one day for sure. A full video guide for Kotor will be posted soon on our channel. Skadar Lake. It's far from Budva also for few minutes. This green reserve can take you for a few hours for unforgettable boat trip, enjoying it from all its sides. You can check also a full video about it in the video description.